Hi there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our guide rail repair kit for Mercedes Vito, Viano, Valente and V-Class from 2003 to 2014. In this X8R repair kit, you will receive direct replacement parts including 2 runner cables, both of which are made from braided metal. You will also receive all the internal gears and pulleys. Firstly, remove the bolts holding on the motor. Do so with a T20 Torx.
Here are the screw locations.
Lift off the motor. Use a flathead screwdriver or a pair of pliers to push out the sensor on the inside of the motor. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the Starlock washer. Remove the top gear. Remove the 4-gear mechanism and replace the old gears for the new, ensuring the teeth are facing the correct way up. Replace the old gear for the new X8R gear. Press the Starlock washer back into position to secure the new gear.
Press the black sensor back into the motor.
This completes the motor repair. Now let's repair the mechanism, but first measure the length of cable protruding from the mechanism. This is important for reinstalling the cables in the correct position. Remove the top gear. This pulley has one of the metal cables running around it. Take note of where the cable runs to and the direction it wraps around the gear and the white pulley. Lift out the pulley and unravel the cable from it. Remove the blue spring. Take note of where the spring locates into. Remove the central gear with the metal insert. Take note of which way it goes round. Remove the plastic surround from the metal insert and replace it with the X8R insert. Remove the bottom pulley the same way the top pulley was removed. Again, take note of the direction the cable wraps around the gear. Next step is to remove the cables. But first, it is very important to remember where the cables thread through and which pulleys they correspond with. Pull the cables out from the mechanism. If you are struggling to pull the ferrules through the body of the mechanism, you can use a flathead screwdriver to manipulate the ferrules through the holes. Install the new cables, threading them the same way the original cables went through. Ensure that the length of the cable protruding from the body is the same as the measurements taken before. The next step is to remove the cable from the pulley housing. Use a flathead screwdriver to prise open the 3 clips on the housing, then slide the lid off. Be careful not to prise at the base of the housing, as the lid will snap. Remove the white pulley using a flathead. Be careful not to lose the mounting screw underneath the pulley. Remove the cable from the pulley and pull the cable completely out of the housing. Install the new cable by wrapping it around the pulley. Push the metal end of the cable into the housing. Refit the lid of the pulley housing by sliding it in first and clipping it into the 3 clips.
Ensure the white bush is in place before installing any new gears and pulleys.
Press the ferrule into the slot on the bottom pulley and wrap the cable around the gear and into the grooves until there is tension on the cable. Ensure the pulley is the correct way up. Press the blue spring into the bottom pulley. It locates into one hole on each pulley, as shown here. Install the new central gear. Install the top pulley similarly to the first and ensure the spring is located into it. Press on the top gear, ensuring the teeth are facing downwards. At this point, test the cables to ensure they run end to end. Refit the motor onto the mechanism. Test the cables once more to ensure it runs through the pulleys and gears properly. Please note that once the motor has been installed, there will be more resistance when testing the cables. This completes the repair. Thank you for watching this X8R video. This item is now available to purchase. Please see the link in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.